Here's how you fly domestic. Be at the airport 3 hours before your flight. Okay lang maging maaga, wag lang maiwan ng eroplano. Before you enter the airport, present your ID and ticket sa guard. Here are the following IDs na pwedeng i-present sa airport staff. Pass through the X-ray machine, put all your valuables in the container. Check the details of your flight at the Flight Information Display System or the departure board. Now, it's time to check in and get your boarding pass. You can proceed with the kiosk if you want to self-check in, or you can do it online. At some airline, they will weigh your bag, so keep in mind na dapat 7 kilograms lang ang carry-on. Present again your ID and your boarding pass before entering the final X-ray. At the final X-ray, make sure you don't have the following na bawal sa loob ng aircraft. When you pass through the final X-ray, look for your boarding gate and wait for the boarding announcement. Be attentive, you don't want to miss your flight. When it's time to board, the attending officer will scan your boarding pass and check your ID. You'll be riding a shuttle or diretso na sa plane. Upon entering the aircraft, the flight attendants will welcome you and check your boarding pass. Look for your seat number and lagay mo yung gamit mo sa overhead bin or sa under ng seat. Then, prepare for takeoff.